good morning.
Morning.
We are back, and now it's March. It's about springtime. As we all know, December already passed, very fast. So now we are here again, and this time it's Ate Esper who's going to make shumai, one of my favorite appetizer. All right, Ate Esper, you can start.
All right, so let me tell you first about the ingredients. This morning we're gonna cook the shumai, okay? So we have 1.5 pounds of ground pork. We have 1 tablespoon of salt, half cup of shrimp, which is chopped, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 cup of carrots, 5 tablespoons of spring onions or scallions, 2 tablespoons of onions minced, and also 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 eggs, which I scrambled already, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. You can use cornstarch if you want, but if you don't have cornstarch, you can use all-purpose flour. And we have 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. And it will be easy because we're going to be using ready-made wrappers. Okay, I bought this one from Asian store. Okay, and so what we're gonna do, we just all mix together all the ingredients. Okay, and so we can start with the pork, ground pork. Then we have the salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. We have the shrimp, half cup. We have the 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. We have the 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you. And we have carrots. Okay, put 1 cup of carrots. We have the green onions or scallions. We have like only 5 tablespoons chopped of green onions. We have these onions, minced, 2 tablespoons. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic. So we just mix all together. 3 tablespoons of sugar. We have 2 eggs. You can put 1 or 2. Then we have the flour. It's like half cup. So let me just. So we use the flour to absorb the liquid, okay, on the mixture, so that will not be saggy, too much saggy or liquidy. Okay, it will help the texture also. And the secret also is the toasted sesame oil. Toasted sesame seed oil. So we're gonna use our hands to better mix this okay, ingredients. Okay, and so
Wait a minute. Okay, go ahead.
You wash your hands before you mix these ingredients, okay? And then for me, I just wash my hands and also use gloves.
Yeah.
And Auntie Sue is going to put some cooking spray here so that the mixture will not be sticking on my hands, okay? And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna be mixing it, okay? And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna be really mixing it well with your hands, okay? Don't put too much garlic. Through experience, don't put too much garlic because it's overpowering.
Okay.
Okay, and also too much salt because it will be salty. Okay, and so just enough. And don't put a little bit also because if you eat it plain, it has no taste on it.
No taste. Okay.
Okay, and so anyway, if you don't have shrimp, it's okay not to put shrimp. The others, they put grated cheese, but if you don't have grated cheese, that's fine also.
That's optional.
Okay? Right.
Okay.
But the carrots and the spring onions, it makes it colorful.
Colorful.
Yeah. So we have to put it in the wrapper. Okay. So
Open.
it's already open. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in your palm.
Okay.
Okay, like this. And then you're gonna put like 1 tablespoon or 1.5. That's fine. Okay, look. Okay, and then you're gonna put it in between your forefinger and your thumb. Okay, you're gonna turn it around. Yeah, and then you can press it. Okay, so you're gonna make it tighter. Okay, like this. Yeah, tighter. Okay, and then make this one flat. And then using this, you can use your finger or this spoon. Okay, so keep on turning, make it tight, and then you can just put it here.
That's it.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Just put it like in a circle between your forefinger and your thumb, and then you keep it on turning. You can add some more if you want, and then just press it. Press. And make sure the bottom part is flat also, okay? Because so that will not be pulling when you cook it. Okay, it's flat. Make it a little tight on the neck. And then you keep on doing it, okay? Keep on turning. Put it on the middle. Okay, and so we have a steamer that we let the water boil ahead of time, okay? So do you have the spray so that will not stick so? I think. So that will not stick, okay? Yeah, this one here. You wanna?
Okay, now we're going to put directly to the steamer.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many minutes to go?
The others, they do it like 10-15 minutes. But for
Really?
me, to make sure, I put it like 25 minutes.
25 minutes?
Uh-huh. And if I cook a lot, like the big steamer, I put like half hour to make sure.
Okay.
Okay?
So this,
Yeah. This one at least 25 minutes.
just fix the ano, the form yung ano. Okay. Right.
One more. Wait a minute. Let me make space for that one.
There you go.
Okay. Have a space.
So this is for 1.5 pounds of pork, right?
Okay. So anyway, the next step that we're gonna do, we're gonna brush the, like the topping of the sesame with the Japanese toasted sesame oil. Okay, the others they put garlic sauce or garlic oil, but that's okay. You just open this. We're gonna brush the top. And it will be delicious. Okay. All right. So in 5 minutes, it's ready. Okay. All right. You're gonna cover it again. Here you are. This finished product. This is shumai. It's homemade. It's delicious and it's simple. And we made a sauce in here where you can dip it. The formula for this is 3-2-1. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And you can put some chili. I put 1 pack of small packet of hot sauce from a Chinese restaurant. Okay, and so we can try it with hot tea.
With our hot tea.
Because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again. We're bringing.
So here we are. We're gonna try the shumai that we cooked with Auntie
Yes.
So. Okay, we're gonna
Let's
dip
see.
it. Here you go. No, it's okay. You can dip it because anyway you're not going back and forth to dip it.
Ay, tinan mo to. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya eh. Nagkakanda bali-baliktad eh.
Oh, hindi. Kukunin mo na lang gano'n sa kanya. Here.
No, that's the... Ano, doon.
So far, this is the... Let's try. If you're not good in,
It's
doing
good.
it, just do
It's
it like
good,
this.
that's right.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So this one here, when you bring it to the party, hindi ka mapapahiya, di ba?
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Abay lunch na natin to with the
Yeah,
tea.
I know.
Look at this tea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Saan?
Give some carrot.
Come on, Harold.
And kung sausawan, tama-tama lang, You can put garlic if you want. You can toast garlic na. Di ba?
Mhm.
Okay. This is 3-1. 3 soy sauce, 3 tablespoons.
3,
And then-
2, 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 2 vinegar and then 1 sugar. Then you can put hot sauce on also. I just put 1 because I know Auntie Sue doesn't like too much hot. So I put only 1 hot. Yung isang pack. Pakiting yung maliit.
Dapat pala.
I don't know.
I'm learning.
Kasi ito no.
Mm-hmm. Ha?
Kung hindi, susukin mo na lang ganun. Yeah, there you are.
Ano yun ito?
Yeah, I know. If I have a hard time, I do that same thing. Yeah, just do it like this. Or
It's good, the test ka.
just dip it.
I like it.
I hope Jens will come so that
Oh, he will
can
like
try
it.
it.
He likes that.
So that they can try, di ba?
Mm-hmm.